It's me, Mrs. Ramirez, live, and I'm going to show you the ClassDojo sticker and ABC tools. First, press Mojo the green monster to open up the ClassDojo Portfolio app on your iPad. If you see this screen, choose I'm a child, so you are working in your own portfolio. Choose the class called Art with your teacher's name. Here you will see any activities posted. Your to-do list is where you will find all the activities your teacher has assigned. Click on the one you wish to complete. The tools are to the left. The monster tool is at the bottom. It's a green sticker tool. Click it and you'll see the stickers you have to choose from. You can drag the stickers around. You can enlarge them by spreading your two fingers apart or pinching them to make it smaller. I challenge you to put your name on your page with stickers. This may take you some time. As you can see, every time I select a sticker, at the top a little garbage can shows up. If there's a sticker that you change your mind from, you can just drag the little sticker into the garbage. I'm almost done with my first name. It's Bonnie. What is your first name? There. Now the text tool, that means words, are in the ABC tool. Click it. You'll need to touch the screen to make the keyboard appear, and you can choose the color you like. I chose yellow. Now I'm typing in a word. See if you can read the word. Sometimes the text is too small. You may need to make your picture bigger by expanding your fingers. There you see the word. The word is love because I love art. That looks just right. When you're done and you like what you've made, take another look at it. Make sure to press the check mark in the bottom corner. Now you can look for the blue oval that says done. Once you press done, you will need to find the blue airplane. Do you see it at the top? Press the blue airplane and it will be sent in cyberspace to your teacher. When you see the yellow sticker that says pending, that means Mrs. Ramirez has to look at it. So be patient. If you see your activity back on your to-do list, make sure you read the comments and make the changes that you need. Then you can send it to me again. Have fun!